Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure your account email and phone are up to date so support can identify you. Once done, record the exact date the streak ended, the friend's username, and which device you used. Now open Snapchat, tap your profile, go to Settings, then to I Need Help and choose Snapstreaks. You're taking the first actionable steps that let Snapchat support review the case and confirm you had an active streak before the interruption. Next, you compile and submit evidence to justify the restore request. Take screenshots that show your streak before it ended, chat screens with timestamps, the streak icon earlier that day, or any error messages. Explain exactly what interrupted the streak, app crash, lost phone, or network outage, and include device model and OS version. Then fill the Snapstreaks form under support with dates, your friend's username, and attached images. This helps finish by monitoring Snapchat support responses and your linked email. Reply promptly if they ask for more details. If your first request is denied, don't panic. Resubmit with clearer timestamps or additional screenshots showing earlier streak activity. Make sure your app is updated, reinstall if needed, and clear the cache before retrying because corrupted data can block verification. One key troubleshooting tip: if support asks for more proof, deliver precise dates and multiple types of evidence to increase the chance of a successful restore.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.